Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show you how to find beta on Yahoo Finance. First, open your web browser and go to the Yahoo Finance website. Once there, you'll see a prominent search bar at the top of the page. Type in the ticker symbol for the stock you are interested in, like Apple for Apple, and then select the correct company from the drop-down suggestions. This will take you directly to the stock's dedicated information page. Now that you are on the stocks page, scroll down a bit until you find the section labeled Statistics. This area contains a wealth of financial data. Look carefully within this section for a line item called Beta 5-Year Monthly. The numerical value displayed right next to this label is the beta you are looking for. It represents the stock's historical volatility over a 5-year period, calculated monthly. Understanding beta is crucial for investors. A beta of exactly 1 means the stock's price tends to move in perfect sync with the broader market. If a stock has a beta greater than 1, say 1.5, it suggests it is 50% more volatile than the market. Conversely, a beta less than 1, like 0.5, indicates it is 50% less volatile. A rare negative beta means it moves inversely to the market. Beta is a powerful tool for assessing a stock's systematic risk, which is the risk inherent to the entire market. By understanding a stock's beta, you can gauge its sensitivity to overall market fluctuations. This information is invaluable when you are building or adjusting your investment portfolio. It helps you diversify effectively and make more informed decisions about which stocks align with your risk tolerance and investment goals.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.